इफ़ यू हैव बिन लुकिंग एट द रियल एस्टेट अराउंड नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे तो आपको ये बात ज़रूर पता होगी दैट सेक्टर 150 इज़ द ग्रीनेस्ट सेक्टर्स ऑफ देम ऑल। एंड आपने ये बात भी सुनी होगी दैट नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट दैट इज़ अपकमिंग इन जेवर वो भी आने वाला है एंड इसकी वजह से प्राइजेस ऊपर जाने वाले हैं। सो दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू मोर अबाउट दिस लोकेशन in sector 150 Noida, and I will also tell you about the great project that is upcoming by ACE Group, and the name is ACE Arte. So let's tune in to the video. Hello, welcome, namaskar. You are watching House Edge Consulting. This is your host and dost Khushi. And if you are someone who is going to park your investment at 3, 4 or 5 crore, then you just don't need a brochure or a salesperson to make you understand the project. You need more than that. And I am going to explain you all the details that you need to know before investing into a project. Why should you buy at this location? Why are smart buyers investing at this pre-launch stage and at this project at ACE? So I am going to explain all of that. Stay tuned till the end. So let's start with the core problem of the Indian real estate, calling every other project luxury. That is not the case, because when you invest in a luxury project you come to know that अरे मुझको तो 7-8 मिनट वेट करना पड़ रहा है for my elevator to come, because every acre will have 120 families, and that is not what luxury is. That is a high-rise village. And in ACE what they've done is they have brought 15 acres of land parcel with 11 towers and only 784 units. That is a big thing, and that means your project will be low density. Now do the math. That's roughly 50 families per acre. And why does this number matter to you as an end user or an investor? Because low density is the only thing that protects your capital appreciation 10 years down the line. When common facilities aren't overcrowded, the property ages gracefully. It commands higher rentals, attracts a better profile of tenants, and retains its resale premium. Now let's see how ACE has designed their inventory mix, and this is a very intentional and strategic move. They have cut down all the 2 BHKs from their inventories. Their inventories start from 3 BHK from the 1927 square feet size and goes up to 4 and 4.5 BHK 4370 square feet size. Now why would a builder deliberately eliminate smaller layouts? Simple. To filter and protect the resident demographic. When a project mixes small 1 or 2 BHKs with 4 BHKs, the demographic gets fragmented. By setting the entry barrier strictly in the 3 crore plus bracket, ACE is ensuring that every single resident across all 11 towers shares a similar financial and social profile. If you are buying this as a family home, your kids grow up in a very specific peer group. If you're buying this as an investor, your exit pool is an HNI who wants an exclusive, non-commercialized, gated residential environment. Now let's talk about the location, Sector 150. Everyone knows that Sector 150 is the greenest sector and is also known for its sports center. And I will tell you more than that. This location is known more for the convergence between the Noida Greater Noida Expressway and the Yamuna Expressway. And I will also give you 3 advantages of having a project and owning a home at this location. One is you get signal-free connectivity back into central Noida and South Delhi, a direct 25 to 30 minute run down to the upcoming Jewar International Airport, immediate access to the commercial and corporate office hubs developing along the expressway. You aren't buying land in a remote pocket hoping that roads will be built in 15 years. The sector roads exist. The metro is operational nearby, sector 148 and 147, and the airport is actively taking shape. Sector 150 sits right in the sweet spot between immediate livability and major infrastructure appreciation. Well, the project will also have 23 floors of approx height. The towers will have approx 20 feet of distance between each of them, and there will be 9 acres of central park. That means openness is in the project. Besides that, you are going to invest in the under construction project, and this means the developer needs to be one of the best. And Ace is someone who is not trying to enter the waters of Sector 150 Noida. They have already delivered Ace Golfshire and executed Ace Parkway right in this exact sector. They have understood the local authority norms, they've understood buyer expectations here, and historically their execution quality and delivery timelines have held up well against the top tier in NCR. And when you invest in a pre-launch or early stage development, you are backing the developer's execution capability. Ace has demonstrated that they can deliver on high-end architectural promises like their 9-acre Central Park concept without stalling out halfway through. And now let's end with the prices and the numbers. Well, right now the pre-launch is at 16,995 rupees per square feet, and compared with the launch price that will go around 21,995 rupees per square feet. We also have a flexi payment plan of 20x5 that is very relaxing. And if you are someone who wants to have a budgeted options, we have plenty of them. But if you are someone who wants to go for the luxury segment, the low density segment, and you want to have spacious layouts in a sector that has greenery in it, and if you are someone who has a budget like that, then your eyes deserve this project, Ace Arte. And if you want to know more about this project, do contact Housage Consulting on 875,000 5008, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number given below. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This was your host and dost Khushi with camera person Bhavna, signing off.